Okay, so my chair is looking a hot mess from glitter and stuff from this. And I'm thinking I'm gonna use that table right there and put it over here and put the tree on top of it like I did last year. Jingle with me, baby. Y'all don't want my clip right there because that's sheer and there's a parking lot right behind there. But anyway, so I'm sick of burgundy now, but this goes with the Christmas theme, so I guess they will stay up. Like if I take the clip off, we have the sheer. It's mostly all the sheer during the summertime. I don't know if you can see, it has like gold lines within it. Probably can't see it, but anyway, that was cool in the summertime. But in the winter time, I need these closed completely. And these were closed during the summertime too, because you know these are blackout curtains, and blackout curtains keep heat out as well. Now that it's winter time, me opening that little bit, I feel nothing but cold air coming through here. So I just use one of my hair clips from up here and clip it at night, so my shadow's not being seen on the other side, also to keep out the cold as much as possible. Move these ottomans around. I think I'm gonna move both these chairs in front of this window. I already took out the Christmas bears. This one's a little stain there, but these belong to my younger son and passed down to him. I tried to get that stain out. I'm gonna have to take like one of them Clorox pens or something to it. They're better than they were. Then we have my angel I always take out every single year. This is something I got maybe 15 years ago. Oh, this was from Avon, y'all. Avon. She used to sit on my desk and I just kept her there year round, and now she's here. Good morning, y'all. It's Monday, December, what is it? 5th? The 5th. This is probably gonna come up on Vlogmas day 4 or 5 if I decide to catch up. But anyway, so I am up. I have to wash this hair today. This is doing way too much. My scalp can't survive past a week, so because of all this dandruff and stuff, I have to wash this hair every week. If I don't, there's a problem. I barely make it through 3 days, y'all. So what I've been doing is just putting my hair back in 4 braids, putting on a headband wig, unless I'm doing some other style, and keeping it moving. Just so, you know, it stays put, it's not being moved around. My ends stay nice and soft. I'll go ahead and spray my scalp and my hair with aloe vera juice and run some oil on it in my parting area, because the parting area is, of course, what touches the elements first and what dries first, what flakes first, and all that. So trying to take this down before I have to go outside and at least get it so my hair is loose again and is ready to wash. I did do some more Christmas stuff as much as I could yesterday. Moved around my living room. I have a very, very, very small living room. So again, we working what we got around here, and I want to make it so the Christmas tree had a little bit of room. Even though I'm taller than a Christmas tree, but you know, you gotta put presents underneath the tree. Where the presents supposed to go? Underneath it or around it, right? So I had to have enough room. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. What else did I get on here for? I think that's it. Y'all have a wonderful Monday, or if by the time you see this, you've already had your Monday, I hope it was a great one. And that is done, and my hair is super soft. Oh, you want to know what products I use while my hair was in those 4 braids? I use the Annabelle's Perfect Blend Carrot and Cocoa Ginger Leave-In Conditioner, and well, I'm taking all that blood out. Okay, and the cream, wherever that is. Did I finish using it? Here it goes right here. This is what I used in my hair after I did my wash, my deep condition. Put these 2 in my hair, braided my hair up. Nice and soft. You know, I would wear these curls if my scalp wasn't flaking. Yeah, that's not cute. Snowman. Okay, so let's look at some spots. Now I get what my mom used to do. I used to be like, you know, wonder why she's cleaning up, you know, behind us. Kids who were able to clean up their own stuff. And now I get it. Now I get it. Because sometimes you just get tired of looking at stuff. I'm not doing everything. I just want to vacuum. You know, I want this air purifier in here and not have to work so hard. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, so I'm scrolling on my computer trying to figure out where to order some food from. This is something I do at least once a month for my son. So I don't feel like cooking all the time, but like this restaurant right here, when I lived out in Gresham, we used to get stuff from them all the time. You see they score? That score is for a reason. They are absolutely awesome. But since I've moved further away, I'm not trying to pay that delivery fee. But since I have Grubhub Plus, I don't gotta pay that. So, oh, their little fee went down. But the amount of sodium, though, that's the other thing, y'all. Y'all see my neck go up and down. Sodium is what does that. My entire life. My entire life. Another reason why I don't drink soda. I mean, it's more like a special occasion type thing, but I end up regretting it. Let me have one. That's it. Anyway, y'all might have to just get ready for my neck to blow up some more. Oh well. That's life. But see, Akira's sushi is good too. You see the score? Yeah. It's for a reason. Everything be nice, fresh. I have never had any issues whatsoever. A cool variety. I'm telling you. Y'all, I'm turning this video into a food choice video. PDX. Let me stop. So I'm going to get me something. And this is my motivation to you mamas out there, or whoever you are. If you just got done paying, you know, for your housing, you deserve to get something for yourself. Let me know if you agree in the comments. Okay, so I need to stop talking and do something about this hair. This hair gotta get washed. I'm trying to wash it. before my son get back, and then I need to do a video on a new product I'm gonna try in my hair. I got 2 things I need to try in this wash day. Am I gonna do in this wash? Yeah, 2 things I need to try in this wash day, which will be broken down into 2 videos. We are mixing regular content with Vlogmas, so do not let the Vlogmas in the title fool you or deter you from still supporting the girl.